Today I am going to unbox a art kit. I got in the bag. So this is double rule notebooks. I got 3 of them. Then I got a luxor drawing book, A4 size with lot of pages. Then I got extra long wax colors. These are crayons. So pink color is that. So these are the colors. Got pencils. There are 10 of them. With pencil, we got one sharpener and one eraser. Then we got corrector or whitener. Then we got one highlighter. We got sets of pen, that is ball and gel. We also got a sketch pen packet, 12 shades, and one pen pencil with eraser. Thank you. This is the bag they gave. So now I am going to organize and show you. So first we take the books and keep it in this bag. Now we are taking the art book and keeping it. Now we keep the pens. And now we are keeping the sketch pens and crayons, whitener, highlighter, eraser sharpener and pen pencil. Thank you.